This is Dwayne Mooney. I want you to look at this. This trade that I did last night. It's the British pound dollar. And you see the profit that's been made so far. And now, if you look at the chart, we got in it here. This was that area, that loading, when they're taking the orders in this area. I got in here, and it shot up to exactly where I thought it would shoot up to. It actually went over. I thought it would go to, it's going to go up to about this area here. Toward right here. And you see the profit it's made. Okay, now, let me show you how to manage this account. I got in two orders. So let's take profit from one. Close one position. This is how you manage a trade. Close that trade. Now we have one left. So what we do is put in a take profit. I mean, not a take profit. We'll put in we'll modify the position and we'll put in a stop loss at 20 pips below. So it's 1.2934. So I'll put, it's at 1.30. The price is 1.3024. It's about 90 pips. It was at 1.2934. That's what we got in. So we want to change, we want to put the stop loss 20 pips below that 1.3024. So we'll do 1.3004 stop loss. And we'll just ride it till the wheels fall off. It may come up right here. It may come up to this area. We'll see. Or even higher. We'll see what's going to happen. If it starts reversing, because it may have hit resistance, if it starts reversing, and in this area where it is, we'll just get out. Or it'll stop us out, 20 pips. We're way in profit. And that's how you, because this may be the trading zone. I'm not sure. In this area right here, maybe the trading zone. I'm trying to bring that down. I mean, we may be done. We'll see. But we're willing to take a 20 pip loss. We had two trades. So we'll see where it's going to go. Because it looks like we're at the top resistance. But we'll see at about 2 o'clock when the U.S. market closes where we're at. I'm not sure. Okay. But it looks like the trading zone, I want it at least to top at here, come back up to here, but it may come up in this area, which is matching here, this area. So we'll see. But we in it to win it. That's how you manage a trade. So you can see it better. Okay, you see what it looks like? That's the trading area here. And let's see if here we can get 20 something more pips out of it if it continues to go up. And let's see if it breaks this area and continues to go. It probably won't, because it hasn't. So we'll see what's going to happen. Let's look at the 1 hour chart real quick. time frame. Let's look at the day chart, Yeah, the day chart, it looks like it may have hit resistance. If we look at this. Right here. Now let's see if it can continue to break and go up to this level. So we'll see. You see how if it'll do this, if it'll really start breaking, or is it just going to come down? And you see the trading zone? That's the trading zone. Let's see what it's going to do. And we call it a good trade. Okay? So we're going to see what it's going to do. That's it.